Near the village of Muravka, in the Donetsk region, Ukrainian FPV drones successfully repelled a Russian assault. Video footage released by the 33rd Mechanized Brigade shows Russian troops advancing toward Ukrainian defensive positions using armored vehicles. Ukrainian drone operators prepared a well-planned ambush and targeted the lead vehicles of the assault column. The initial strikes destroyed the front armored vehicles, immediately disrupting the Russian advance and forcing the unit to withdraw. As Russian troops attempted to retreat, they continued to come under drone attacks. During the engagement, one Russian MTLB armored vehicle was destroyed, while another was damaged and left disabled. At least 7 Russian infantrymen were eliminated, bringing the assault in that sector to a complete failure. Ukrainian reconnaissance units detected Russian armored vehicles operating near Pokrovsk. Their positions were confirmed through a combination of ground intelligence and drone surveillance. According to available information, Russian forces planned to use this equipment to launch assault operations in the Pokrovsk direction in order to strengthen their offensive capability. To prevent the attack, Ukrainian defense forces planned and carried out a coordinated special operation. Precision strikes were delivered using drones and assault units, successfully hitting the identified targets. As a result of the operation, one OSA-class surface-to-air missile system was destroyed, along with multiple tanks, armored combat vehicles, and military trucks carrying ammunition. Follow-up drone strikes further reduced Russian combat effectiveness and forced enemy units to abandon their planned operations in the area.